If you're looking at the EAhora Romeo Pro 3 and wondering whether it's actually worth the money, here's my quick take. The Romeo Pro 3 is one of those e-bikes that immediately grabs attention. It's big, aggressive, and packs some seriously impressive numbers on paper. With dual motors, high top speeds, and a massive battery, this thing is clearly built for riders who want power and long-range capability. Many owners praise its speed and battery performance, especially for commuting and longer rides. In real-world use, the bike delivers a thrilling ride. Acceleration feels strong, and the motorcycle-inspired design definitely turns heads. But it's not perfect. The biggest concerns seem to be quality control and customer support. While some owners report great experiences, others have experienced issues ranging from electrical problems to replacement part headaches and inconsistent after-sales service. So is it worth your money? If your top priorities are speed, range, and a powerful riding experience, the Romeo Pro 3 offers a lot for the price. But if reliability, local support, and long-term peace of mind matter most, you may want to compare a few alternatives before pulling the trigger. Overall, I'd give the EAhora Romeo Pro 3 a cautious recommendation. Exciting, powerful, but not without risks.